Nano Banana Pro dropped, and it changed the game. But then, just a few days later, the Flux 2 update landed. So the question isn't just which one is better. It's, is Flux 2 truly a competitor? Or are they complementary models, each dominating a different niche in your workflow? Today, I'll put both models head-to-head in 5 crucial categories that matter most to creators. Let's jump in.
I asked for a hyper-realistic portrait of an old man. At first glance, both look good, but when you zoom in, you see more of a difference. Look at Flux 2 result. It did a great job adding age spots and pigmentation, which is a nice touch, but look at the texture of the skin. It's very smooth. It has that waxy plastic finish that screams AI generated. Now, look at the Nano Banana Pro result. This is what we want. The wrinkles aren't just lines, they have depth. The skin looks organic and matte, not shiny. This much better captured the weathered look we wanted in the prompt. In this test, Nano Banana Pro looks more realistic. For the next test, I asked for a hyper-realistic portrait of a surfer. Both photos successfully executed points like the wave, the reflection of sunlight on the face, and the requested elements in the prompt. Only in the Flux 2 model, we see more of a beautiful work of art than a real image. For the text test, I used the Flux 2 Flex model. Nano Banana Pro showed the text completely and without spelling errors, but the Flux Flex model repeated and added some parts and also had spelling errors. In this test, I asked for displaying text on a wooden sign. Both models displayed the text accurately and had no spelling or typographical errors. In the first test, I asked the models to show the woman on a rooftop. The Flux 2 Pro model failed to retain the character's identity. On the contrary, the Nano Banana Pro model successfully displayed the character accurately according to the reference. In the next test, the Flux model successfully retained the character's identity, but rendered the character's age slightly older than shown in the reference photo. In another test, both created good results, but the Flux 2 model failed to accurately render the requested facial expression. In the next test, the Nano Banana Pro model made slight changes to the character's appearance by exaggerating the prominence of freckles. In all other comparison tests, both models performed consistently well. For image editing tests, I challenged both models with various editing tasks. In the first test, I asked both models to change the woman's outfit with a reference dress while maintaining her original pose. Both models executed the outfit change effectively. However, the Flux model slightly changed the character's pose. In the next test, I asked both models to replace the horse with a white bear. Nano Banana Pro performed this task well, while Flux 2 changed the surrounding environment and reduced the character's facial stretch. In the third test, I asked both models to convert a cartoon image into a realistic one. The Flux 2 result appears sharper, while the Nano Banana Pro output looks more natural. In the next test, I asked both models to change the woman's hairstyle. Both did it beautifully, although Flux also changed the crown in the image. In the next test, I provided a reference image and specific hex codes, asking the models to change the colors of the sofa, table, and curtains based on these colors. Both models correctly identified and applied the colors. However, Flux made additional, unrequested changes. It changed the material of the table, losing the wood texture, changed the wall behind the TV, modified the colors of the blankets and rug, and merged the curtains into a single continuous piece. In the final test, I gave this character to both models and asked them to change the place to a coffee shop. Both models did this task beautifully. For multi-reference testing, I first provided images of 2 characters along with a target pose to both models and asked them to place the characters together based on that. The results indicate that while both models appear to slightly change the woman facial features, both performed well regarding the pose and positioning. In the next test, I gave both models a character image along with the desired outfit and environment, asking them to show the woman wearing that clothing and holding a cat in the specified setting. Both models performed exceptionally well, effectively preserving the character's identity and rendering the scene exactly as requested. After all these tests, it's clear Nano Banana Pro delivers the more realistic, consistent, and controlled results, especially with faces, expressions, and text. Flux 2 shines when you want sharper, more stylized, artistic outputs. So it's not about which one is better, it's about which one fits the shot you're trying to create. For creating these images, I used Higgsfield AI. To begin, select your desired model and apply the relevant settings. The platform provides you with 10 daily free credits. If you have a paid subscription, you can activate the unlimited generation option so that no credits are deducted while working with these models. So, after this comprehensive review, who was the winner for you? Let us know in the comments section whether Nano Banana Pro performed better or Flux 2.